Well, there goes the bell, and the market has started in a brilliant shade of green, actually. 1/3% higher, 23,800 has been taken, and of course, 78,750 on the Sensex. The bank Nifty starts all guns blazing, again, 0.5% higher, almost 0.4 actually, to be precise. That's 51,400 almost on the Nifty bank, and the mid-caps also are starting shoulder to shoulder with the big stocks. What have we in terms of gainers in the big stocks? It's all the big boys, actually. Tata Motors, Wipro, Bajaj Auto, Tech Mahindra. So tech stocks are all doing well. Along with it, also banks like ICICI Bank, Indices Bank. Okay, Indices Bank's sale of bad loans is actually seen as a positive. It just, I guess, making a clean break is always better than keeping the wound festering. So that one's got a thumbs up from the market. Bajaj Finance, Grasim, Nestle, Kotak Mahindra Bank, all of them up between 0.3 and 1%. The biggest gain actually is Bajaj Auto with a 1.2% gain. Not doing too well, Apollo Hospitals, ONGC, Titan, BEL, Britannia. All those are down about 0.2%. So really not much of a downtick and not much of an uptick either. The stock that's really the highest gainer is just about 2% higher. And then you have, of course, the Indices banks and the Tata Motors and the ICICI banks, which are all up about 1%. Now the bank Nifty has raised to 0.5% gain.
Okay. Well, it's a shade of green in the mid-cap market as well. And the star of the action is Star Cement. What else? 7% up on this stake purchase, 8.7% by Ultratech. And the market wondering what's coming next. Aside of that, some more newsmakers. Mahindra Industries, 5.5% up. Gensol Engineering, which announced a renewable order from NTPC, large order, 6% up over there. Dixon, which is looking at the tie-up on the refrigeration side, 2.5% up. Power Mech, up about 2.7% as well. Jubilant is in a tie-up with Coke for the marketing and sale of some of the beverages. Stocks up about 0.7% as well. So that's the newsmakers tally. Beyond news, let's see what else is moving in the market. By the way, Bajaj Auto suddenly crept up on my screen. Big move on the Nifty in Bajaj Auto itself, looking quite good. Aside of that, some of the recent listings, like this International Gemological Institute, no stopping this stock, another 2% up this morning. Back to the Nifty, where the gains are fairly steady, about 70 points higher. Tata Motors and Bajaj Auto continue the good form from yesterday. So autos was a theme that continued yesterday. It's up again today. And ICICI Bank, NTPC, Tech Mahindra, these are some of the other key gainers as of now. Not much problem actually. Just a few consumer and healthcare stocks like Apollo, Dr. Reddy's, Britannia. These are slightly lower. Titan is slightly lower. But otherwise, the market has started off with a flourish. We're approaching the 200-day moving average once again. Let's see if the bulls can prevail this time, because usually we've got this opening gap which has been sold into. Let's see if today ends up being different or not. But as of now, it's a nice green start and the screen is looking positive.